Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll see all about the variable declaration, memory allocation and the rules for declaring the variables. Now first we'll see the syntax of variable declaration. Before declaring the variable, you need to specify the data type of the variable. Okay, then how many variables you are declaring? The names of the variables, variable name 1, variable name 2, variable name 3 and so on. As many variables you have to declare the variable names, and after that don't forget to give the semicolon. Now after this we'll see the rules for declaring the variables. Now we have few rules in declaring the variables. The first rule is the variable name must be specified before using the variable. Next, the variable name must begin with a letter or an alphabet. Third one, the variable name cannot begin with the number or a digit. Okay, the variable name must start with alphabet. The variable names must be distinct, that is, they can be easily identified. Next, the blank space is not allowed in between the variable names. Suppose you are writing the student name, then you have to write student continuously name. No space is allowed in between the words. Now, the next rule is the variable name can be having the minimum length of 1 character to 8 characters. Okay, and up to the it can be up to even 32 characters. Now the variable names must not be a keyword. See, in C we have some keywords like int, char, float. Okay, these keywords we cannot use as variable names. Now the next rule is it should not contain any special characters like dollar, percent, ampersand, at. These all characters are not allowed in the variable names. Now here we'll see some of the variable names which are not allowed. Here as you see 8abc, it is invalid variable name. 56, it's a number. abcd, ab dollar sign, int, as I said you, int is a keyword in the C language, so you cannot use it as a variable name. Now ampersand, the name starting with ampersand, it is also not allowed. So these were the rules for declaring variables in the. Now we'll see the data types, the size needed for the storing the variable, the format and the range of the data type. First is integer. So an integer variable needs 2 bytes of the memory in the storage. 2 bytes means 16 bits, and the format for specifying the integer variable is %d, and the range of the data is -327682 plus 32767. The second one is unsigned integer, that is also same as the integer, but the only thing is it is denoted by %u, and the range of the value is 0 to 65535. Now the next is long integer. It needs 4 bytes in the memory. In the bits it is 32 bits, and the format is %ld, and the range is -2147483682 plus 2147483647. The next one is unsigned long integer. It is also having 4 bytes of memory, 32 bits, denoted with %lu, and the range is 0 to 4294967295. The next one is character. For character we need only 1 byte of memory, that is 8 bits, and it is indicated by the format specifier %c, and the value ranges in the range of 256 ASCII symbols and can be stored in character data type. The next one is float. The float variable needs 4 bytes of memory, which is 32 bits, and it is specified by %f, and the range is 3.4 e raised to -38 to 4e raised to plus 38. And next is a double variable. Double variable needs 8 bytes of memory in the memory space in the memory, which is 64 bits, and the format specifier is %lf, and which is in the range of 1.7 e raised to minus 3082 plus 1.7 e raised to plus 308. The last one is the long double, which needs 10 bytes of memory and which is 80 bits. It is specified with the format specifier %lf, and the range is 3.4 e raised to minus 49322 to 1.1 e raised to plus 4932. This was all about the variables, the memory needed to store the variables, the format specifier, and the range of the values of the variables. Now we'll see how actually the memory allocated for the variable. See, we write the statement int a. So what actually it does, this is the computer memory. So it allocates somewhere 4 bytes of memory for that variable. So suppose it's a memory block, a single memory block at some address 1001. Now the variable for the variable a, it has allocated the memory of 4 bytes. Now the next statement, we assign value 4 to a. Now that 4 is stored in that memory location. Now the 4 is stored at the memory location which is named as a. So what is a variable? Variable is simply the name given to a memory location so that we can access it later. So I hope you like the video. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, you subscribe the channel, and for the upcoming videos you can press the bell icon. Thank you.